Hey guys, it's James here, and my sister's right next to me, so if you hear music, that's my sister.
Hey
guys. But we're gonna play some counter blocks. You guys can suggest whatever you want to suggest.
Why you haven't been recording so long?
Been recording in such a long time because, first of all, I have school, then a lot of busy stuff. Because in at May 12th, I'm going to a wedding, an Indian wedding. A ceremony. I just saw a parade right now, and I'm back from the parade. It was pretty cool. We enjoyed it. We got glow sticks and a lot of other stuff. Right, back to the game. I'm counting terrorists 6-2. Wow, that's crazy. 4-6-2. Oh, wow. Alright. Oh, jeez. I missed. I usually miss another good thing. Oh, jeez. Where are you, buddy? Yes. Oof. Okay, I lag. Let's just definitely think. Wow. Quick scopes all around the place. Just amazing.
I want to see.
I'm not hitting B. Neither mid. My only option is staying at my base or going it. I'm going it because I don't like camping. That's the same. Sorry if I'm lagging. I usually lag. Ooh, I wasn't even ready. Come on! Come on. What the heck? Are you watching? Okay. Alright. This game's going good so far. We could win this round. Where's my skin? Show up! Okay, there we go. Oh, jeez. How was he not dying? Okay. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. Damn. Oh, come on. This guy just camps. This guy's dumb. He just camps. That's so dumb. Okay. What? Jesus. Reset. Be careful. Come on, bro. Are you dumb? You look at him and then you're like, oh, jeez. He's right there. Okay, come on. Come on. Ah. Okay. 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 I know. I only have 2K. What is my much? I'm gonna have to go with you guys at equal. I'm going with gear. That's what I'm going with. Nope, that was a big miss. A big no-no. Okay. You better not be king. Wait, what? How? I was right. He killed me through a wall. Or is it my lag? I bet it's my lag. Because all hackers are banned from this game. And they won't be unbanned under any circumstance. What the heck? Now I forgot what I was gonna say because that guy just quick scoped him like. Okay. I still have 2K. I'm sticking with my pistol. My USB.
Ha!
Now my grandma's calling me. What does she say? Oh, ask her dad if he wants to eat.
I know.
Oh yeah. Oh snap. Oh snap.
ના ખાલી એક
Oh,
મિનિટ માં ખાલી શું કરું
what a miss. What is it?
I can do it.
I hear you. Oof. Run! Kill him, buddy! Daryl. What a quick step. Yeah! Oof. GG guys. GG. That was a good match. That was a good match. Do. Okay, I'm gonna play a little of this map and then I'm gonna wrap this video up. Because I have to go eat and stuff. I'm going. Oh, it's the same map. Okay. Alright. Alright. So just a game I should play next time. Well, in this video, comment down below what game I should play. I can play Fortnite, any game. Except money games. I'm not gonna buy any. Because I don't want to. Oh jeez. Oh what? Oh jeez. I'm dead. Please. No, come here. Where'd he go? Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Thank you. Oh yeah. I'm sticking with my pistol. Yep. Oh Jesus. Oh jeez. Oof, ow, ow, ow. I'll take this. Nope. Hello. Okay. You're shooting. Yeah, she's calling you now. For me. Hey! Oh yeah.
Real quick.
I think after one more map. No, after this map. After this round, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Oof. Oh, if I got that shot, that would have been amazing. Oh, jeez, where's my? Okay, shooting over here. Oh, jeez, I knew I was dead. I knew I was dead. So after this, round, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to smash that like button. Smash that like button, and have an amazing day.
Let's see.
Okay. Nope. Have a save. Okay.
Neil, I have 44 songs.
Why do you need that much?
I don't know. I just love all those songs.
Hi, buddy. What? Come on. Go through my shoes. Alright. Like I said, guys, have a safe and amazing day. Goodbye, everyone.